For consistency, let's install Prettier plugin, which is going to allow us to sort Tailwind CSS classes. To do so, let's copy over the following command and run it in a terminal that is going to install Prettier utility itself, as well as plugin to sort Tailwind CSS classes. Let's wait until installation is finished, and now in order to include this plugin, we'll have to create Prettier RC configuration file within the project root and paste the following content. This is how we include plugin for sorting Tailwind CSS classes. I'm going to create Prettier RC right here and paste that content. And just because we're using Tailwind CSS 4, there is another thing that we have to add into Prettier RC configuration file, and that is this line which specifies the path to our CSS file where we have included Tailwind CSS. So let's paste the following line into Prettier RC and change these paths. Our main CSS file is located inside of Assets CSS folder. And now anytime we're going to apply formatting by using Prettier, we're gonna have Tailwind CSS classes sorted automatically. And just to be able to run Prettier from within VS Code, there is an extension called Prettier Code Formatter. I already have this extension installed, so let's try it out. I'm gonna switch over to app.vue component. And first of all, we'll have to choose the default formatter for this file type. Let's open up Command Palette by pressing Command-Shift-P or in Windows Ctrl-Shift-P and run Format Document With command. Here we'll be presented with a couple of options as for which formatter to use as a default one for this file type. I'm gonna choose Prettier, and now if we'll open up Command Palette once again and run Format Document command, or we can use keyboard shortcut. You might have noticed that some of the Tailwind CSS classes have changed their order. So it works and classes are sorted. And just in case, let's take a look at the page and make sure that nothing has been broken. After we have applied formatting, everything still looks as before. Link to the source code of this project will be in the video description.